Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. This is part 2 of my Sephora Savings Event haul. I got cut off from my last video, my camera died, and so I thought I'd continue on with part 2. So I also picked up Pureology, the professional color care, this a $85 value, and so I thought I'd pick this up during the savings event, save myself some cash. It's really packaged really cute. Let's just see. So I know this is supposed to be paraben free and to be a lot cleaner ingredients, thus the name Pureology. So I'm really excited to try this. This is definitely a hydrating shampoo, conditioner, and I believe this is I feel like the winter really zaps not only my skin, but also my hair. And so I'm really looking forward to trying these out. Favorite face cream. I not only wear it at night before bed, but I also will put this under makeup just to hydrate throughout the winter time. I know for some people it may seem heavy and thick, but it really absorbs into the skin. And if you have any sort of dry patches or dry skin, this will take care of it for you. It's really nice. It's my favorite and I can't imagine a winter without it. So I always restock. I've probably repurchased this 20 sometimes by now. It's my absolute favorite and nothing comes close to it. It's nice and hydrating. Next, I'm going to share my Ulta haul. I did pick up a few holiday gift sets and some MAC, and I thought I'd go ahead and share that with you. Let's start with a set I am absolutely thrilled to have picked up. This is the Natasha Denona My Dream Pouch, and what a lovely gift idea. I just feel like my mother would love this, my sister-in-law. I got this one for myself, so you know, don't judge, but this is absolutely beautiful. It has so many things. Of course, the beautiful makeup pouch, but I'm really excited for what's inside here. So here we have so here's the lipstick. I think her packaging is really pretty. And oh my goodness, you guys, that is gorgeous. Look at that. Look at that. That is beautiful. What a lovely holiday lipstick. But it looks super wearable too, because I feel like a lot of lipsticks for the holidays are just not exactly wearable. This looks nice. Let's see. Oh yeah, look at that creamy, buttery nude. That is beautiful, you guys. All right, really excited. And of course, this packaging, oh my gosh, that looks like the most beautiful holiday lipstick ever. That is so pretty. So this is the shade Natasha, and I am here for it, you guys. That is beautiful. Really excited I picked this setup. Let's see what else is in here. So it also comes with an I Need a Nude lip liner. This is in the shade Natasha as well, so matches the lipstick. Let's see what that looks like. Ooh, very creamy, very buttery. Looks really nice. So excited for the lip set here. That is amazing. Here is the My Dream palette. This is the mini. Let's check out the, ooh, those shades look really pretty. Beautiful nudes. I feel like this is a shimmer. Let's see what these look like real quick. Ooh. Yeah, those are pretty, you guys. That is amazing. What a nice little set. I can't imagine anyone on your Christmas list that loves makeup not loving this set. And then we have the My Mini Dream Cheek Duo. So this is, gosh, this is so nice. So here's your highlighter. Oh, and this is a cream blush. So again, let's see what we got here. There's the cream blush. It's very smooth. And there's the highlighter. Gosh, that's beautiful. All right, I am here for it. What do you guys think? You guys think that's a really good set? I really do. So again, you're getting the beautiful makeup bag, the lip pencil, the eyeshadow palette. You're also getting the My Mini Dream Cheek Duo and the most beautiful shiny glittery lipstick ever. So I'm here for it. I feel like that is such a good deal. That is really good. That is such a nice set, you guys. And again, I picked this one up from Ulta. It has all the things. This is a really nice gift, you guys. So if you're interested, pick it up. It probably will sell out. It is really, really nice, you guys. All right, so another holiday set I picked up from Ulta. This is the Estee Lauder, and it's the Undercover Radiance Glow Set. So I picked this up for my mom, but I really think I might keep this and get her one as well. So it comes with the Estee Lauder Futurist Aqua Brilliance Watery Glow Primer, and I'm really excited to give this one a whirl. It just seems like Estee Lauder, their products are really, really good. And any kind of glowy primer, I'm all about it. So I feel like my mom's gonna really enjoy that, but I think so the primer comes in the set. Let's see what else. All right, so here I have the Bronze Goddess, and this is a highlighting powder, and I will say Estee Lauder does highlighters really, really well, and this looks absolutely gorgeous, you guys. So let's just kind of see what that looks like. Oh my gosh, yes please. Glow Goddess, I will take this. So I want to be a glow goddess. So here we have it. This looks amazing. And then it also comes with Melt On Glow Sticks. So this looks beautiful. It's one of those click lipsticks. And let's just see what this color looks like. Ooh, that's pretty. Ooh, it's very creamy and glossy. That is pretty, you guys. Really, really nice color. Super wearable. I love, it's called Melted Melon. Yes, please. Melted Melon, and it just looks absolutely gorgeous. I'm absolutely here for it. I love any sort of holiday set that has 3 full-size items in here, and it's just, you feel like you're really giving whoever your loved ones a true gift, and this is lovely. I'm gonna keep this for myself. It's really, really pretty, and I'm excited about it, but I will be picking one up for my mom, maybe my sister, we'll see. But that is such a pretty gift, and I'm glad I picked that one up from Ulta as well. Next, I picked up from Ulta this Dazzle eyeshadow liquid, and this is by MAC. And I don't know, with the holidays, I just felt like I needed something to kind of, I don't know. I wanted something that was a little bit party centric, and this is gonna do that. This looks beautiful. I mean, all those holiday parties coming up, you're gonna want a little bit of glam. This is it. So I'm glad I picked that one up. It looks absolutely stunning, and I'm so ready for the holidays right now. This is great. This MAC Connect in Color palette, and it is a mini palette. It has 6 pans, and this is absolutely beautiful. Their packaging has been so pretty. This is the Bronze Influence palette, and these shades are just beautiful. What do you guys think? I think they're really, really stunning. I'm really glad I picked this one up as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed all the things I picked up during the Sephora Savings Event. I also picked up a few items from Ulta, some of their holiday sets, and I just feel like they were a really good value for the money. Always get your stuff on sale if you can. Makeup is not cheap. Myricks palette is a very expensive palette, and if you pick it up during the sale, save yourself some cash. These shadows are next level beautiful. I did swatch some of them, during my part 1 video of the Sephora Savings Event sale, so check that one out if you haven't seen it yet. You will not be disappointed if you pick this palette up. It is absolutely gorgeous, right in time for the holidays. I hope you guys enjoyed this style of video. If you did, don't forget to like it, and it would help me so much if you would go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I would love to see you in my next videos, and until next time, bye guys.